We've got super micro earnings out, and Seema Mody has the numbers. Seema.
Morgan, these are preliminary first quarter results and Q2 guidance. Let's start with the guidance because that seems to be what is moving the stock here in overtime. It sees its second quarter adjusted EPS of 56 to 65 cents, which is well below the Wall Street estimate of 83 cents. So a big ouch there. Revenue for the second quarter, it sees in the range of 5.5 billion to 6.1 billion. That too below Wall Street forecast of 6.86 billion. If we look at sort of the range that is providing for the first quarter, earnings of 75 to 76 cents. That's sort of in line with what Wall Street was predicting. Revenues of 5.9 to 6 versus the $6.45 billion estimate. So clearly numbers here not looking great for Super Micro as it deals with these regulatory concerns. And on that, Morgan, following a 3-month investigation, the company says, which was led by an independent counsel, the committee's investigation to date has found that the audit committee has acted independently and that there's no evidence of fraud or misconduct. The company also adds that at this time it remains unable to predict when the company's 10K will be filed. We'll have more on this story as we watch shares fall here by around 8% in overtime. Of course, the larger story here is it's down about 70% from its recent high hit back in March. Morgan.
So what is going to matter more on the conference call then for this name? Is it going to be the actual fundamentals of this company, or is it going to be the fact that we still don't have any timeline on that 10K? And obviously there's a lot of controversy and financial question marks that have been swirling, in part, I think, causing that 70% drop from the highs.
Absolutely. I mean, since those accounting allegations were surfaced by Hindenburg Research back in August, we've seen the stock move lower. And of course, there's been reports of a DOJ probe. So I think investors want clarity on the call tonight at 5 p.m. Eastern, Morgan, on has the company been able to secure a new auditor since Ernst & Young pulled out as the company's auditor? And how are these regulatory concerns and accounting concerns impacting the company's ability to fulfill new orders? Now, just looking at the second quarter guidance, well below what Wall Street is expecting. So how much is that tied to these accounting concerns? And also the risks of a potential delisting. If the company's not able to secure an auditor and meet the compliance requirements of the NASDAQ by November 16th, there are concerns that the company will have to delist. A lot coming up in that hour.
Yeah, and of course, all the family ties across businesses that are connected to Super Micro as well. It's quite the web to untangle. Seema Mody, thank you.